Large windows can completely transform a space, but measuring and installing custom curtains on your own can feel like a lot to handle. From reaching every corner to working with unfamiliar tools and hardware, it's not always easy to know where to begin. That's why TWOPAGES offers in-home measurement and installation service, bringing expert support directly to your home. Our specialists help take precise measurements, then walk you through the results in the TWOPAGES app, showing each number clearly and organizing every detail into an easy-to-understand measurement report. And when your curtains arrive, professional installation helps bring the finished look together. Before installation begins, your space is carefully prepared, protected, and handled with care. From mounting the rods to adjusting the final folds, every detail is finished cleanly and precisely. So instead of handling it all on your own, you can simply relax and watch your custom curtains come together. With TWOPAGES in-home service, every step feels guided, cared for, and beautifully finished. Because it's the final details that truly make a house feel like home. TWOPAGES, effortless living.